Hello, good people, and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to use Excel's AutoSum to save ourselves some calculation time. Excel's AutoSum is a time-saving shortcut that allows you to sum up values into a result cell. So in this video, we'll go through various ways you can use it. It's much more effective when the values are in a contiguous range, either to the left of your total cell or above your total cell. So in this first example, I can highlight all these numbers I'm going to add up and include the total cell, and I can do Alt equal to, and I have my AutoSum executed. Alternatively, I could stand in the total cell alone and then execute Alt equal to. It will pick up the range of numbers to my left. In the second example, I can stand below these numbers and then execute Alt equal to, or alternatively select these numbers including the total cell and then get this done. It has some flexibility, so even if the numbers are not following each other, you could also stand in the total cell, execute Alt equal to, and in this range you can now use your cursor or your mouse to select each number, holding the Control key after each selection to help you jump the numbers you want to sum up. So here I get this total. If you have numbers that go down and to the left, like in this matrix, and I want to sum up below and by the side, I could also highlight the entire block, and here I want the totals, so I can now execute Alt equal to. So Alt equal to will nicely execute the sum and put it to the left, to the right I must say, and then below the numbers, and then the final total here. So please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list. We send videos directly to you on Mondays and Fridays. All our old videos are on our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity. Please visit and click subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching.